Well, kind of clever one.
What might that be, Mike?
Huh?
What might that be?
Well, they have you in a cage, like tied up, so you can't really move.
Uh-huh.
Like usually it's just your head in a cage or something so that you're incapacitated in a cage. Yes.
I see.
Door locked. Don't do the whole thing. It's just big enough for hungry birds or whatever they eat what they will.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can't do anything. No. That's pretty clever. That's not structure though.
Yay! How do you feel?
You were filming that?
Yeah.
Oh,
I like how I can't see your face at all.
I thought that since it started late, you didn't film it. Ah, I keep on pressing X.